guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing AUXITO's X5 Series LEDs for the low and high beam into my 2009 Nissan Altima. Now these bulbs were released in 2025 and they're supposed to be significantly brighter than a stock halogen setup. Now my car here has already been converted to HIDs, at least for the low beam, and it's been converted for many years and I've had no issues with them, and they're very bright. However, I have been interested in swapping them over to LEDs because LED technology has advanced so much over the years. So in today's video, we're going to do a brightness comparison between the AUXITO X5 Series LEDs versus my HID kit, which is a 35 watt 8000K HID kit. And also we'll be putting the stock halogen bulbs back in, and we'll do a brightness test comparison against that as well. So if you guys are interested in the X5 Series LEDs from AUXITO, I will be leaving links in the description below so you guys can check those out. And if you guys are looking to purchase any of AUXITO's products, or including these bulbs, you guys could get 15% off using my discount code, which I'll put right around here, as well as I'll leave it in the description below. So let's get started.
All right, before we get to the installation, let's unbox this and just take a look at what we got inside. All right, so I'm guessing this is the user manual, gloves, and zip ties. And it also indicates that it offers a 2-year warranty on these bulbs. So it is exactly what it is: gloves, user manual, and some zip ties. Pretty standard with AUXITO's kits usually. And then here are the bulbs. Here's a close look up on them. These are very nice. They're aviation grade aluminum on the housings of these bulbs. Looks really cool. So let's pull one of these out for you guys to take a look at. Yeah, so this is the bulb itself. It has its own fan on the back. Has a nice driver here that looks pretty cool. Has this AUXITO branding. And this is the plug that will plug into the stock car harness. Looks really cool. All right, let's get started with the installation. All right, guys, so we're starting with the passenger side here. You turn the wheel all the way to the right so that you can open up some of the space here, because you have to go through the wheel well in order to replace the bulb. So you have to go through here. Now the bulbs are here, as you can see on the headlight. This here is your low beam, and then this one here is the high beam. So these two are the bulbs that we'll be replacing. So in order for us to get in here, we'll have to remove a couple clips here. So as you can see, there's a couple clips here. These two clips need to be removed, probably this one as well. And then there's some Phillips screws on the bottom here that hold in this panel. Once you get the Phillips screw and all that stuff out, you'll be able to just pull this panel back and you'll have complete access to be able to change the bulb out and stuff. It's a little tight, but it is doable. All right, so we're on the bottom side here. So you do have to remove this clip here on the bottom. There's a screw here, another one here, and another one down here. Then this panel will come off. So we just have to take this clip off, and then this whole thing will slide back. All right, now that we have all the screws and the clips on the inside here out, all we have to do is just, you see this panel? It's just very loose now. Just pull it back like so. And you can cock it back so that's held on between your tire. And then we're able to get in here. Now let me get a light. All right, so with the light, this is what we see inside the wheel well. As you can see, there's my HID kit right there. And you already can see up there, there's already access to one of the bulbs. And then a little further to that area is the high beam bulb. So what we'll have to do is just twist these bulbs out, and then we'll be able to disconnect them. So you just counterclockwise, and then you pull out. There we go, both low and high beam are installed.
There you go, guys. The AUXITO X5 Series LED bulbs are fully installed into my 2009 Nissan Altima, and they're working amazingly. I'm really impressed with this product, and I think they are a little bit better than the HID kit that I had in the car. Now the reason being is that these actually are a little bit brighter. They're 6500K lighting output, or the color, and my HIDs were 8000K color, which is a little bit blue for the 8000K, and these are a whiter output. The whiter output is usually a little bit brighter. Now you can see in the video, we did do a test against the halogen, and both HID and LED are significantly brighter than halogen, but this does win. And another thing why this is better than HID is this doesn't take time for it to warm up and fire up versus the HID, where you have to turn it on and it takes a little bit of time for it to warm up. The color, you usually see it just blasts on. It's kind of cool to see that happen with the HID kit, but these are instant brightness, essentially, instant light. So these do, I feel, work a lot better than the HID kit, and I can't wait to continue driving the car and, you know, seeing how it performs in the dark. At the moment, I think these are working amazingly. So if you guys are interested in AUXITO's X5 Series LED bulbs, check out the link in the description below. As well, you can use my discount code for 15% off any of their products if you guys are interested in their products. Anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.